Hey kids, thanks for joining us. It's Mr. Belonio and
Baby Yoda.
we were just talking and we thought it would be great if we did a cartoon turkey together right before Thanksgiving. Doesn't that sound great? So get your sketchbooks, get a pencil, and follow along. Let's get started. All right, so I got my sketchbook, I got my pencil. I'm going to turn it to a nice blank page. So when we start our cartoon turkey, we're gonna start with basic shapes. I'm gonna start with the head. So I'm gonna draw in the middle a circle. Then underneath that head, going to draw the neck. So I'm going to draw, what shape is this? It's like a rectangle, a short rectangle. Behind the head and the circle and the rectangle, I'm gonna start with another bigger circle for the body. But notice when I get to the lines of this head, I stop. For the tail feathers, I am going to draw, these are really tall, them in the back. I'm making sure they're pointy. And as we know, a turkey has many tail feathers. Then it's a cartoon. At the bottom, I'm going to draw really skinny legs. For each leg, I'm going to draw 2 lines. They kind of look like straws. And then for the feet, we can just leave it at oval shapes. How's that looking? For the wings, well, we kind of see them. I'm just gonna draw 2 curved lines. For the eyes, I really like drawing circles, and then I'm going to draw 2 smaller circles within, and guess what? I'm going to draw another circle. These eyes look really surprised. I'm gonna fill these, the inner circle, in pencil. Fill it in black. Then the beak, we can't forget the beak of our turkey. That's gonna be a triangle. Now, turkeys have snoods. So it's this almost like teardrop shape that goes down the side of the beak. Okay. I'm thinking this turkey's missing something. I'm going to give it a pilgrim hat since Thanksgiving is coming up. I know I drew these lines earlier, but there's nothing wrong as an artist erasing certain lines. So on top of the head, I'm going to draw the brim of the hat. I'm going to draw a rectangle here. I'm going to place the feathers back, but not through the hat. In the middle here, like a buckle, I'm going to draw 2 squares. And then the line. And you know what? I'm just gonna fill this in. Balance it out. Since I have these shapes filled in and I have these eyes filled in, just so that I have another shape, I'm gonna make a shadow here and then fill that in. Pretty crazy, huh? This turkey looks scared. I don't know. As we all know, turkeys don't like Thanksgiving, and we know why. All right, so there's my pencil sketch of a cartoon turkey. I'm going to add just maybe some sweat at the side, maybe like little details like a design on the feathers. Maybe indicate that there are smaller feathers, obviously, within the turkey's body. Notice the more details you add on your picture, the more unique, the more actually fun it turns out. All right, I am going to outline it in black marker. Then after I do that, I'll sign it, and then there you go. Okay, so now that I finished outlining, if you're at a stopping point and you feel like you're done with the drawing, you can sign your name in the corner. I'm gonna sign it Mr. Belonio, and I always place the year, so it's 2020. Now, you can leave it at that, but if you have time, you can color, and as an artist, you can use any medium, any supplies to color. So if you have crayons, great. If you have markers, great. If you have oil pastels, great. If you have watercolor sets, oh, that's fantastic. I think I'm going to color mine with a new set of oil pastels I just got. They are right here. So I'm gonna make it a time-lapse video again. You can just watch or try to follow along, but it's a time-lapse, so it goes super fast. Take your time and enjoy. All right, everyone, that completes my lesson on a cartoon turkey. I hope you enjoyed it. If I don't see you before the holiday, happy Thanksgiving to you and your family. If you can, share your cartoon turkey with me on Seesaw. That'll be fun. And I'll see you around. All right, bye, everyone. Take care. Gobble, gobble.